In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to Leonardo AI. Whether you're an artist looking to refine your digital creations or simply someone interested in the wonders of artificial intelligence, mastering this process can be really beneficial. So, let's dive right in and explore the simplicity and power of Leonardo AI's image generation features. First things first, you'll need to navigate to image generation. Begin by looking at the left sidebar where you'll find a section labeled AI Tools. Once you see that, go ahead and click on it. You'll then see an option labeled Image Generation. Select this option. This is where the magic starts. It's your portal to unleashing incredible AI capabilities, all geared towards generating images with just a few clicks. Next, it's time to upload your image. You'll see the Upload Image button positioned conveniently to the left of the prompt bar. Give it a click. This simple action initiates the process, allowing you to bring your image into the Leonardo AI environment. Now, choose the image you want to work with from your device. Remember, this image acts as the foundation upon which the AI will build, so select it carefully. With your image uploaded, you'll want to adjust some settings to ensure optimal generation results. Let's consider two scenarios here: image guidance and character reference. For image guidance, you'll first need to choose the appropriate guidance mode. Depending on what you want to achieve, you might choose options like depth to image, edge to image, or pose to image. These modes influence how the AI interprets your image, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. Once you've selected the guidance mode, you'll notice a strength slider. Adjust this to control how much influence your uploaded image will have on the final output. A higher strength value means more influence, whereas a lower value lets the AI add more of its own touch. Now, if you're focusing on character reference, you'll need to upload a well-lit face shot against a plain background. This helps the AI clearly understand the elements of the face for more detailed and accurate character generation. Once your image is uploaded, set the reference strength to low, mid, or high, depending on how much influence you want the reference image to have over the generated output. Finally, it's time to generate your image. Enter your prompt in the available field, expressing clearly what you envision the AI to create, and then click that Generate button. Sit back and watch the AI bring your vision to life. Congratulations! You've successfully uploaded an image to Leonardo AI. With these straightforward steps, you can continue exploring the incredible ways AI can enhance and transform your creative process. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.